Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by installing the NET SDK and Visual Studio Code so the runtime and editor match. Once done, add the CHash extension so language services and debugging work. The CHash dev kit is optional but speeds setup. Next, create a console app with .NET New Console and My App and open that folder in VS Code. This gives you project files and launches the language server. Make sure .NET version returns a supported SDK, so build and debug will succeed. Now focus on building and configuring debugging so you can run and inspect code. First run .NET Build to compile. Address errors listed in the Problems panel because IntelliSense depends on a clean build. Then open the Run view and add or accept an auto-generated launch. JSON so VS Code knows how to start the project. Set breakpoints where needed. Press F5 to debug or Control plus F5 to run without debugger. This pairing of build and launch configuration ensures predictable execution. To finish, run your program. Use the integrated terminal and .NET Run for a fast check or F5 to hit breakpoints and inspect variables. Make sure launch. JSON points to the correct DLL or project and that the CHash extension is enabled, because mismatched SDK versions or wrong program paths are common causes of failure. If things go wrong, delete the bin and obj folders, run .NET Restore, then rebuild. That often clears corrupted caches and resolves mysterious build or debug failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.